ng papasok sa kwarto mo. Wala naman tayong problema eh. Ano bang problema natin?
Mga tao! Huwag kayong bakla!
You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City, and this is consistent with the standard practice of the House of Representatives to entrust detainees. Considering that as requested, attorneys right and open has been examined by the judicial and clear you are directed to transfer the Veterans Memorial Medical Center. And everybody your question. May next tayo namin ay Mr. Luna, sabi niya sa Luna, General Attorney Seneca Lopez, Secretary of the Dear General Court, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the account granted to directive of Please afford all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow better access of the personal physician during her confinement. The attorney will also be afforded full physical time of the following officers. Also, as part of the please be advised that the hospital safety guidelines will be followed for the hospital policy or procedure. Trial for safety needed to fly sasakay na naman mo sa sasakyan ni Ma'am, sasakay ko kayo sa sasakyan ni DC. Kasama niyo po si DC sa sasakyan. We'll be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center. Hindi ka naman iwanan ni they are just in one
Hindi ko lang
Bibigyan nyo ng magandang ano dyan. Padala ko na lang.
Ma'am, paligpaan niyo.
Nakarating. Dito kami sa likod mo na. Siguro. Atras muna, atras. Atras lagi mo. Pabutin mo yun.
Hindi nyo ba nakita yun? Hindi nyo nakita yun? Hindi ito convict.
Ma'am, dadalhin po namin sa St. Luke. Dadalhin po namin sa St. Luke.
Kanina, sinabihan kayo sa St. Luke. Dinala nyo
Hindi
dito.
ko po alam. Ibang driver po yun.
Naku, sir.
Ibang driver po yun. Hindi
Sir.
po namin alam yun.
But you did what you did. We saw it. We saw it. On video. Huwag, sir. Asan yung abogado? Asan yung abogado nila? Ipahalan. Yan. Dinini lang yan ng contempt.
Nanggaling kami ng batasan. Sinabi ko si Clubs kami pupunta. Hindi niya kami sa veterans.
Oo.
Nag-bring ka to si Clubs.
Saan yan? Saan yan nakita, sir? Nakita mo yung condition niya? Paano tatakbo yan? Paano tatakbo yan?
So, sir, gusto niyo pa.
Sir, sumunod kayo ng lawful orders. Huwag niyong alam niyo na injustice na siya sa mga tao. Huwag kayong bakla. Tama! Tama! Tama yan. Taas ninyo, signigan nyo, mga pulis. Kayo may mga...
Naniniwala ako na it was attempted homicide because she feared for her life. Pag nakakita siya ng uniform ng police, ma'am, natataranta siya. Kasi imagine mo ba naman, 9, biglang papasok sa kwarto mo. Wala naman tayong problema eh. Ano bang problema natin? Nandoon nakadetain yung tao. Mag-a-attend ng hearing. Nagbibisita kami. Sinusunod namin yung oras ng pagbisita. I don't understand. Why do you have antagonized a detainee who is fully cooperating sa lahat ang kailangan niyang gawin para matapos lang ang hearing na yan na money-making scheme ng mga congressman.
We are going to transport Asik Laika from St. Luke's Hospital to Veterans Hospital. This is in compliance with the directive of the House of Representatives to Major General Napoleon Taas as the Sergeant at Arms. The PNP is assisting him in this order for the transfer of medical facility for Attorney Zulaika Lopez, dated November 23, 2024. Ang nakasulat dito, considering that as requested, Attorney Zulaika Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared by the St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City, and this is consistent with the standard practice of the House of Representatives to entrust detainees to government facilities for immediate implementation and signed by the authority of the Speaker.
Welcome to Team Sam TV, your channel for the latest news updates. Here, we break down the biggest stories from around the globe, covering everything from breaking news to politics. Whether you want to stay informed or just catch up on what's happening, we've got you covered. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest news. Join the Team Sam TV family, and let's explore the world together, one update at a time.